Me in the Coach's Corner this week, Cloverdale head coach Pat Rady. Coach, coaching for this long, you get a lot of wins, some losses. This is one of those years you're getting, looking like you might have a lot of wins. 5-0 to start the season. Just talk about your club.
Well, we got a great start, Ross, and we're very pleased and had a good summer with them, and we're got a good balance in nucleus, and so we're very pleased with the year and how it started.
Coach, this weekend, a big weekend for you. You move into second place all by yourself on the Indiana all-time wins list. Just talk about that honor and how you've won so many games over the years.
Well, Ross, it is an honor, but I think any time a coach receives anything, it's really a reward to the players. Players that's played the game for him, and the assistant coaches. I've had some great assistant coaches throughout my career that's been a very big factor in why we've won. But most of all, it's the players. You know, you can talk about X and O's, but when it boils down, it's the Jimmies and Joes. And so we've had some pretty good Jimmies and Joes.
Well, it's not Jimmy and Joe this year, but you got a couple good players. Talk about those kids leading the way. A couple guys averaging 20 a game to start the year.
Yeah, Marquise Moore is a junior, averaging 24 points a game, almost 4 assists and almost 5 steals a game. And we have Cooper Neese, who's a freshman, who's come on the scene and playing quite well. He's averaging 22 points a game, and he hit the winning basket in the championship game with 1.4 seconds to go on the clock to win the championship game in the Putnam County Classic.
Well, looking forward to seeing Cloverdale Hoops continue to maybe stay unbeaten for a while longer.
Well, we hope to, Ross. And then thanks for promoting our program. I think the kids have worked well in the community, but you know, it's nice to remember the past schools as well. You know, the Terre Haute South is. I'll still always have a little red and black in me, and the other places I've been. Started out at Bainbridge, and then Winchester, Southmont, Shelbyville. Every place has been part of me able to achieve this achievement. And the other thing, the good Lord's just blessed me with good health that I've been able to go for a long time. You know, that's a lot of it. When you said that, well, it's just, when you get an award like this, it just means you've coached a long time.
Well, a lot of players have been fortunate along the way. Thanks so much for joining us, Coach. That's it for Sports News 10.
Thank you,
Be right
Ross.
back.